What's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. And before we jump into the video, I just want to let you guys know you have a chance right now to win a complete truck transformation package on the website at customoffsets.com/giveaway. So go ahead and check that out after you watch the video. But then to jump right into it, as you can obviously tell by the title of the video, we're going to be covering back orders and why we all hate them. So obviously the people that are ordering wheels and tires hate when things are back ordered, but as a retailer, Custom Offsets also hates back orders, and I'm going to explain why. So if you don't know what a back order is, essentially it's when there is no product left in the entire country for whatever you want. And that's why you'll see, it'll say 4 to 8 week national back order. That's because either the products are on a boat getting shipped over, or they're still over somewhere, typically, China, Thailand, Taiwan, something like that, getting manufactured. So that's what a back order is. No product left in the country. Now, here's the main problem with back orders. If you order something that's on back order, sometimes those wheels are on a boat and they're right outside the port. Maybe they're in California. So it just takes a couple days, literally just days, for the wheels to get from California, to our warehouse, mounted, balanced with your tires, and then shipped off to you. And the whole process doesn't necessarily take too much longer than it would if you had a regular order on something that's in stock or available. Now, where the issue lies is, this happened to Hostile in like 2015, 2016, and it was really a big deal because they ran into major customer service problems. Essentially, they launched Hostile, it was like 2012, I think, at SEMA when they actually launched, but they grew really, really rapidly, and everybody wanted Hostile wheels. So when a company, especially a new wheel company, is first coming out, they order a certain set amount of inventory, and then that inventory obviously gets shipped from typically places like China to come over to the States to be sold. Now, they completely have to guess as far as how many people they think are going to buy their wheels. And then if in that first month they sell all of their sets of wheels, it takes like 4 to 5, sometimes 6 months to get wheels produced and then shipped over to the States. So that back order that typically is 4 to 8 weeks, if they sell out all the product right away, it takes a much longer time to actually get wheels here. So there's plenty of other companies that are running into it. To be completely honest with you guys, Archon is one of them too. We had no idea that the Lincoln would become so popular so quickly. So we knew it would be relatively popular, ordered a whole bunch of them, and then it turns out it's significantly more popular than what we had planned. So of course we ordered more wheels, because everybody always says, well, why don't you just order more wheels? As soon as, within the first like 1 to 2 weeks of Archon being launched, we knew we had to order more wheels. Problem was, that means they're still at least 5 months out because it takes so long to manufacture and so long to ship them. So that's why everybody gets so upset with back orders, whether that be the end consumer or the retailer. It causes problems for both ends. So if you're looking at ordering wheels and you find some that are on back order, it's important to know that your back order could be really, really long. So you're going to want to email, like we have sales@customoffsets.com. If you email those guys and ask for a more accurate estimate on the back order, we can contact the manufacturer and let you guys know exactly when they're saying that they should be in. But there's plenty of times where situations like Hostile or like Archon, where the wheels are ordered, they're on their way, but once they get on the boat, it's really hard for us to get updates as far as when those are arriving, and sometimes it shows up as kind of a surprise, which is another issue. A lot of times, if you order something that's on back order, you're going to get an email that says, hey, your wheels are on back order, we'll switch you to a different set if you want, or a different size, or a different finish, but the next day, wheels could show up, because half the time, these guys aren't telling us when wheels are going to arrive. So they show up the next day, and then you do get your wheels. So if it's something that you really, really want, I would just hold on to it and just wait it out. If you absolutely need wheels though, you got a show coming up or you need to make a deadline, that's when you're going to want to make sure you order something that's in stock and available on the website and doesn't have the big red back order disclaimer on it. So that's that. That's the deal with back orders. That's why everybody hates them. That's the truth about back orders and why they suck so much, and how unfortunately, a lot of times it's out of our hands. Now, we will do everything we can, obviously, to give you guys the best customer service experience possible, but at the same time, we're really open, really honest, really transparent with everybody, so that's why we make these videos and explain to you guys kind of what's going on behind the scenes of the wheel and tire order process. So if you guys have any questions on anything wheel, tire, suspension related, you can drop them in the comments below. Make sure you like the video, hit share, and also hit subscribe on YouTube because we're just trying to blow up. Why wouldn't we? Peace.